Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to put your SIM card and memory card into Lenovo Tab 2 A1030. So let's do it. So first thing that you must do is to power off your tab from the power button. Just hit power off and select power off. Hit OK and wait a few seconds. And now just look on the back of your tab, and here is the slot for the SIM card and memory card. Okay, you must remove this cover. I hope you see it. And here you must put the SIM card and here the memory card. And for that we have here three SIM cards. This is nano, micro and normal, and you need micro SIM card, and this is the right position. Okay, just put the SIM card inside your tab and push it like this. And now let's put the memory card. Here is the slot for the memory card. Push it like this. And now put back the cover. And let's power the tab. Okay. And wait a few seconds. Now if you have a SIM PIN card, just enter it. Mine is 40 and hit OK. And now you can use your tab. Okay. Now to remove the SIM and the memory card, again power off your tab from the power button. Okay. Hit power off and hit OK. Again, look on the back of your tab, just remove the cover. And now push it on the SIM card. Okay, and remove it. Push it on the memory card. And remove it. So this was my short tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and have a nice day.